Hi everyone, today I'm doing my lesson plan on the silent way. I'm going to be using my dry erase board to use as my presentation. Okay, here goes. So as you can see, my lesson plan is kind of simple. It's designed to go over words that have already been introduced. This is part of my scaffolding, is that the vocabulary words that have been previously taught in past lessons, such as sad, happy, mad, path, grass, house, mother, father, things like that, will be introduced. Here would be the house. You could have the path, a chimney with smoke, all of these type of things to get the students to pick up on the visual cues that the teacher is presenting and come up with the word, which the teacher would then write on the board. And then moving into putting these vocabulary words into sentences. That was my plan for this week for the silent way. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I look forward to any feedback. Thank you.